There is an important privacy and security setting on your iPhone that you should check and change right now. Let's do it together. Open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap privacy and security, then scroll all the way down. Here you'll find wired accessories. Tap on it. Now, depending on your iPhone and iOS version, you may see different options like automatically allow when unlocked, always allow, or on some iPhones ask for passcode. So what does this mean? The setting controls whether accessories like USB cables, adapters, or external devices can connect to your iPhone, especially when your iPhone is locked. If you choose always allow, accessories can connect even when your iPhone is locked, which is not recommended for security. The best and safest option is automatically allow when unlocked or ask for passcode if you see this option. This way, no device can access your iPhone unless you unlock it or enter your passcode. This protects your data from hacking tools, public charging cables, and unauthorized access. It's a small setting, but it makes a big difference for your privacy and security. Make sure you check it right now. Subscribe for more content like this one, share with your friends, and see you in the next one.